Good morning, my lovelies. So today you guys will be planning an experiment. You guys are going to be watching a video from Mythbusters to talk about a plant experiment. So if you look hyperlinked here, you can see is the video. I'll also attach this link on the
Google
assignment.
Fi, a phone plan by Google. It's easy to switch to Fi.
So I'll also attach it on the assignment. And this video is about 5 minutes long. As you watch this video, you're going to write what are the myths being tested regarding the effects of talking to plants and their growth rate. You're also going to be filling out the rest of this data. So what is your hypothesis, right? We're going to write that in the if-then format. So if, and then your independent variable, then your dependent variable. So for example, when we looked at that car experiment the other day, if I put a car on a smooth surface, then the time that it takes the car to get to the end would be shorter. Okay, you're going to write your independent variable, right, what they're changing or manipulating. You're going to write their dependent variable. You're going to write your control, and you're going to give me 3 constants. So you can fill those out on the Post-its here and drag your Post-its on. You also can write it in this text box here. So it says manipulated variables tested. So if you want, you can fill it out here. Be sure to write your responding variable, also known as your dependent variable, your control, and your constants. So once again, you can write them on the Post-its. You can fill out on the chart, whichever is easiest for you. Okay, and that is what you'll be completing today, independent from the rest of the class. Then when I see you guys tomorrow, we will have a lesson that'll it will review this experiment. So I hope that clarifies anything you have questions with. Feel free to drop questions on the assignment, and I want you guys to have a great day. See you tomorrow.